The heavy winds in the Ohio Valley have caused part of a Wheeling building to collapse. 7 News reporter Aaliyah Keller is live in the 7 News room to tell us what firefighters say happened just a few hours ago. Aaliyah.
Stephanie, Wheeling firefighters say strong winds tore part of the vacant building. It happened this afternoon on Market Street. Now, this is what the building looks like now. Firefighters say it didn't look very stable to begin with. They believe winds got up underneath the side of the building and pulled it off. That's what firefighters say knocked the north end of it off. There was some debris on the street, but firefighters say no one was around when it collapsed.
We had a windstorm come through, and we probably had 5 internal alarms and several places with wires down, and this came in about the same time.
Firefighters say no one was hurt. They also say the building inspectors will be here in the next morning to take care of it. Officials are working to secure the building. Electric lines are not stable, so the electric company is also working at the scene. Now stay with 7 News and WTRF.com for updates. Live in the 7 News studio, I'm Aaliyah Keller working for you.
Aaliyah, thanks. Those high winds are also causing some major power outages in the northern panhandle. Appalachian Power's website listed nearly 3,000 customers affected in Ohio County and almost 4,000 in Marshall County. We have reached out to AEP on when the electricity issues are expected to be resolved. You can find that information on our website, WTRF.com.